So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view waterfront houses here on realtor.com. So the first thing you have to do is open up the realtor.com app or the website. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on the search bar or the search icon, then go to the top left and press on filters. On the filters page, just scroll all the way down to the bottom until you come across this amenities button right here. And as of right now, actually any is selected. So what you can actually do here is press on amenities, and where it says waterfront right here under popular, simply just make sure that the waterfront option is checked. Once that is done, go ahead and press on apply. And then as you can tell in the bottom right, my search went from 27,000 to just 1,500 now, because what it'll actually be showing you now is all the houses that have a waterfront are considered waterfront here on the realtor.com app. So once you're done, go to the bottom right, press on see homes, and there you go. Now the homes that you're going to be seeing in your search are all houses that are considered waterfront houses. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to view waterfront houses here on realtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.